How to try Minecraft for free. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be looking at how you can easily try Minecraft for free. Let's just jump right in. As you guys know, Minecraft is a paid game, but they offer you a free game trial for certain days that you can play before purchasing the game. So in order to get that experience, what you need to do is first go over to your web browser, click on the search icon and simply search for Minecraft download. Hit enter and you can find the Minecraft download server. Go to minecraft.net. This is their official server and this is their official site as well. Then you can find different options here, and on the top navigation bar you can find games, shop, news and support. Go to the games drop down. And from there, you can find Minecraft, Minecraft Dungeons, Legends, and Minecraft Education as well. You need to go over to Minecraft right here and click on it. Once you click on this, you can easily try Minecraft for free. So for Windows, Mac, and Linux, you can easily buy it right over from here. Now to try it for free, you can just scroll down here and you can find these kind of options. Now, if you don't see a free trial option over here, what you can do again is go to the games drop down. And at the right hand side here, you can find this option called Try Minecraft for free. Click on it. Then you'll see the steps here. First, you need to download, then sign into your account, and you can easily try Minecraft for free. So scroll down over here, and you'll have this option to download it for Windows. This is the Bedrock edition, and you have your Java edition as well. Just click on any one of those. I'll just do this Windows 10 and 11 over here for Bedrock edition. Once you click on it, it will start downloading the file. Now just open up the exe file, log into your Microsoft account, and you should be able to try Minecraft for free. You need to know the duration of your free trial depends on the device you're playing it on. So that's all you have to keep in mind. Now you can easily enjoy Minecraft for free. If this was helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.